So this is going to be either an ingenious idea or it's going to be awful. And you guys are going to realize how cheap I am. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about is this. $5, the $10 tree, $5 tree, $25 tree. So in theory, this is going to be our green screen. I have to take this down, move this forward, maybe have it hanging from the ceiling. Then again, you don't really see from here above. Well, to begin, I gotta take all the down. So, what a fun time for me. I got too much fucking shit on me. I guess we should. I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to move this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hello? Anybody need trash? Let's see how big this thing is.
That's what she said.
54 inches by 108 inches, so it's relatively large. And this is the
That's what she said.
Party plastic table cover. Happy and plastic. Nappy plastic. And for some reason I'm thinking maybe when I'm not using it, I can just like fold it up. Don't like my sweat marks. This is stressful. I feel like I want to do it horizontally. Let me just get some tape and start taping it up. I'm literally just using masking tape to tape this up right now, just temporarily, so I can get a decent idea for where I want to put this frickin' thing. I don't like this. We're just gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see. Bye-bye to my beautiful picture. I love you. I'll see you later. Get the off of me. Well, friends. We gotta come in closer. Here's my green screen. We're just gonna cover that. So in theory, this is it. Well, you could probably buy multiple and then cover larger spaces. I probably should have bought a couple of them. That way I could have hung them the long way, portrait style.
The long way.
And I could have gotten floor lengths because I'm a bit zoomed in here right now. Like quite zoomed in. I could probably still, let me see if I can get my easel in here. Oh yeah, but I'd have to move this up obviously. Well, that's as far as she goes. So you're gonna have to be lowered. That's a good height. Not too shabby. Bye-bye. Okay, now I feel like we'll be okay. Just scoot that over there. Made $1.25 green screen. That's from the $5, the $10 tree, $25 tree, by the way. Not sponsored. Green screens aren't really that expensive to begin with. I'm a cheap ass. That's my koala. I've had him since I was like a babe. No bruising yet. I got a tooth pulled yesterday.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear man down. Where you from?
What did we learn today? It might not be the best method to get a green tablecloth from the $1.25 store, but it's definitely the most cost effective. If you're in a pinch, you can go to the Dollar Tree, get you a tablecloth, get some tape, and then later on when you're editing, I use Power Director for my editing software, so I'll show you how I did it. How about on here? But you're going to go to edit once you have the clip that you want, and then you're going to go to chroma key, and it's going to pop up with this. You click on the little dropper, press anywhere on the green, and then you can just slide up the color range bar so that it covers more of the background. And then denoise, I noticed, also helps a little bit as well too. It's obviously not completely perfect. You can still see some a little bit of the green in the background, but Power Director, That's what I'll be using. So again, you just select with the dropper the green screen, and then you can adjust the color range and denoise. I also put the excuse me, the green screen video. I have, what is this, in slot number 2, dude? I don't know. So I got my regular video in 1, and then slot number 2, I have the green screen video. So what you want to be behind you, I guess, is what we're doing here in the first. And then you green screen yourself in, if that makes sense. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Okay, bye.